This is the filter I'll use for my cabin. It's a man filter, CUK 2939, and I've used this before and it's done very, very well. So I'll use this again as I change my cabin air filter. I do this every 30,000 kilometers. So today, as you can see, we're going to change the cabin air filter. And as you come to your Jetta, you go to the glove compartment on the passenger side, and you're going to go underneath. These are the two plastic screws you want to remove, and they'll give you access. This is a flathead screwdriver. You can just get them started and then you can finish by hand. Short little plastic screws like this. Once you've got those off, you just pull off this foam insert. Now you have access to the cabin housing. It's just in here, the filter. This plastic part here is just going to slide off like that. Just drop it down. And then your filter is just going to pull out. See the orientation? Now we have the diagonal part here on the right, and that's how the new one's going to go in. Now we've got our new air filter, and we will just slip that right in. And we know the orientation, so we just push that up. There's a bit of an angle. And there we go. Now we'll take our plastic lid. It goes into these little slits over here. And then we're going to just push it over until it slips into place. That's right. Now we'll just put our foam insert in again. And then we'll just fasten these plastic screws again. And you can just do this by hand. And that's that. That's the cabin filter done.